Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So I want to do a series on where I go over some multiple choice questions. So I'm going to start with June 2019. I'm going to do the first page of multiple choice questions so you can go ahead and watch, skip, whatever you need to do. So look at number 1. So a sociologist reviews randomly selected surveillance videos from a public park, blah, blah, blah. So they're reviewing randomly selected surveillance video. The statistical procedure the sociologists use is called, this one is going to be an observational study. They are just observing. Okay? All right, number 2. Which statement is true for all real numbers? So what I would do if I were you, there's 2 options, okay? Option 1 is actually multiply it all out. And option 2 is to give numbers for x and y. So let x equal, I don't know, let x equal 1, y equals 2. And what you can do, so like option 1, I mean, when I say multiply it out, I mean double distribute and see if it's actually equal to that. But option 2 is, it's like a nice little trick that I'm going to use a lot. So look, we're going to let x equals 1 and we're going to type in the left side. So we're going to do 1 minus 2. So I'm assigning whatever I want to x and y. Squared, we get 1. And we're going to see that if I replace those same numbers, substitute in x equals 1, y equals 2, do I get 1? So let's look at my calculator. So we're going to have 1 squared plus 2 squared. You get 5. So that means Roman numeral 1 is wrong. Let's do some test taking skills. So then 1, anything that contains number 1 is not true. Let's do the same thing here. Let x equal 1, y is equal to 2. So when I do that, and you guys can use a calculator, I'm just going to do it in my head right now. You get 27. And now if I replace x with 1 over here, 1 cubed, 3 times 1 times 2, plus 2 cubed. Type that into your calculator. Please don't try and do anything in your head, because then you're going to make silly mistakes. So see how I'm putting everything in parentheses? You get 23. Oh, 23 and 27 are not the same, so neither are true. And now this one, solution set. Guys, solution set means what values of x and y make this true. So you're really seeing when do the graphs intersect. That's what solution set means. So I'm going to show you how to do this in your calculator. Ready? You're going to go to y equals. You're going to type both equations in. That's a straight line. And the next one's a quadratic. So we have x plus 4 squared minus 10. Because you want to try and use your calculator as much as you can on the multiple choice. I'm going to hit zoom 6 because I probably changed my window. And now I'm going to see both graphs. So if you look right here on my screen, we intersect here and here. So ready? Second trace, number 5. I'm going to hover my cursor over the first intersection spot, whichever one I want. I'm going to press enter 3 times. So one answer is 0, 6. I'm going to do it again. Second trace, number 5. And I'm going to move my cursor down. You can see me moving it down to the next intersection. And you're going to press enter 3 times. Don't move it. So -5, -9. So I didn't do any work here except use the calculator. So it's going to be answer choice 3. So you need to remember solution means where graphs intersect. And then the buttons that I used, I did second trace, number 5. Okay, and that's the first set of multiple choice.